In this video, we will show you how to open designs. You can open designs in different ways. First of all, you can use the Open Design option from the Welcome tab, which you get to see when the software starts. To open any of the recent designs, you can just use this list. You can also use the Open icon, which is found on the top of your workspace. A handy way is to type Control and the letter O for Windows users, or Command and the letter O for Mac OS users as keyboard shortcut. Open files you have located using the File Explorer or Finder, again depending on your operating system, simply by dragging the file on the Design tabs area. Finally, you can use the Open option from the File menu. In any case, when you choose Open, a Browse dialog appears and you can navigate through the different folders and locations of your computer. The folders you navigate may have various files, but you can only see the files that are supported, that is, the files that the software can open. While browsing, you can see previews from some of the folder's content. For those that don't have thumbnails, you can click on them to get a preview. You can filter the visible items using this drop-down list. You can browse for an image file by selecting All Artwork from the list, or an old embroidery design by selecting All Embroidery again from the list. You can also filter by a specific type. For example, you can select to view only JPEG files or DRAW files, which is the main format of the software, or JPEG images, which can be imported into a new design. If you open a JPEG image, then you need to select how it will be handled. These options will be presented in a separate video. So this is how you can open files. Apart from opening DRAW files, the software can also open and automatically import into a new design various artwork types and various embroidery types.